Hi all, hope you all are doing well. I'm Ash, you all are watching Preen Ash. Bye. Fill in the blanks. Choose the set of words for each blank which best fits the meaning of the sentence as a whole. The students dash not reach on time dash of the transport strike. So please choose one of the option. Answer: the students could not reach on time because of the transport strike. Second, they were dash to vacate that house as dash as possible. So these are the options for you. They were asked to vacate that house as soon as possible. Third, the teacher dash the concept by dash practical examples. The teacher explained the concept by quoting practical examples. The manager told us dash Ramesh was very anxious dash the meeting. The manager told us that Ramesh was very anxious before the meeting. She did not tell dash that she dash attended the party. She did not tell anyone that she had attended the party. Friends, thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. See you all with new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.